Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and my name is Cara if you're new. Today I am going to be showing you how I curl my hair. Since it's summer, I wanted to show you how I get like my perfect beach waves, and I'm also going to be getting some help with some clip-in extensions. So let's get started. So first off, I'm going to be using a set of clip-in extensions. These are from Erabella, and it comes with 10 pieces. Also inside the box, it comes with this carrying case and also a hanger so that you can keep your extensions hung and keep them safe and from getting knotted and messed up. So yeah, this carrying case. Also, I just wanted to mention that this video is sponsored by Erabella extensions. So the extensions come with 10 pieces. You get two 4-clip pieces. So I'm going to be starting with these in the back of my head, and then you get two 3-clip pieces, two 2-clip pieces. I'll be using these on like the side. And then you also get 4 individual pieces, which are good for just like filling in the top areas. Typically, I don't even use a full set of extensions. I have very thin hair, as you can see. So I use it just, I need more volume. So if I curl this, the curls are gonna come out like looking pretty pathetic. So I'm usually good with like half of these or even less than half. Plus these extensions, the hair on it is like so much fuller than I'm used to. My last set of extensions, I was using Bellamy before this, and like it wasn't like this thick. Like this is so much hair. For the sake of the video today, I'm going to be using all of the extensions. Well, I'm gonna try and fit all of the extensions in, but on a day-to-day basis, I'll just clip like 1 or 2 pieces in and I'm ready to go. However, if you have thicker hair, you will need to clip all your extensions in to like maintain the volume and to make it look natural. You don't want to have like thick hair ending here and then just a little bit of like long strings coming down. So in that case, you would definitely use all of them all the time. My hair is just so thin. If I have too many clips in, I feel like they show. So again, we're going to try and put all of these clips in my head today for the video. And let's get started. So first off, I'm going to start off by sectioning off my hair. I am just leaving like a little bit of hair down. Actually, I should probably leave even less than that if I want to fit all of them in. And I think I'm going to start off with a 3-clip piece just because the bottom of my head like isn't as wide as it is up here. And then I think I'm just going to curl it as I go. So for curling my hair, I'm going to be using this Hot Tools curling iron. Hot Tools is always my favorite. They're so reliable and I just love them. It's only $30. So I'm going to be curling this side of my head back this way and this side of my head back that way. So I'm going to start by taking a section about that big, hold the iron down, and wrap it around. Once you let it out, you should just hold it for a second, and this is actually a really cool trick. So when you heat it up, it makes the curl, but when your hair cools down is when it locks the curl in. So you actually want to hold it in your hand until you start feeling it cool down a bit. And then you can let it out. Okay, now I'm taking the next section and just doing the exact same thing, holding the iron down, wrapping the hair back around it. Hold it on there for a little bit. And then when you let it out, just holding it in place until I feel the hair cool down and lock the curl in. Also, I always prefer to use an actual curling iron over a wand because I use the clamp to straighten the roots of my hair. So I don't even have that much like curl or wave to my hair, but even just to smooth out any frizz, if you just straighten the root by using the clamp and then curl. Also, you can, instead of having to hold your finger there at the end, you can use the clamp again to clip the tip part of the hair. And I usually leave a little bit of like straighter ends. I leave a little bit out. Gives it more of a wave than like a really like curly look. Okay, now I'm gonna do the exact same thing on this side, except I'm gonna be curling back that way.
Babe, don't make a sound. 2 a.m. love, gotta keep it down. Don't wait around for a signal now. Give me some verb, I ain't talking.
And now for the last piece. Okay, now I'm going to be letting down another little section of my hair. And then clipping up the rest. Now I'm going to take one of the ones with the 4 clips on it. And clip that in there. Now I have thin hair, but I don't have fine hair. My hair is pretty like dead from bleaching it blonde all the time. But if you have like healthier hair and it's fine, and you find that your extension clips slip out on you throughout the day, you can just back comb your hair, tease your hair. So how you do that, let me just let a section down in the front so you can see. So basically, I'm just doing it on the front so you can see better, but really you would just do this right before you clip the extensions in, and you would back comb. So that means you comb your hair back like that, and it creates kind of like a little knot or a little mat in your hair, and then you clip the extension into that knot and it lasts longer. But I really don't need to do that with my hair because it doesn't slip down it. But the healthier your hair is, the more of a chance that it will slip. Okay, so now I put the section I already curled in the back, and this is the newer straight pieces still. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing. Curling this side back. Now I let some hair down on the sides here. So I'm going to be clipping the 2-piece clips to that. And now, without letting any more hair down, I'm going to be using the last 3-piece clip in the back. And now I'm letting down the last of my hair. And I'm going to be clipping in the final 4 individual pieces. So as you can see, I'm just straightening out any of the frizz from my natural hair and then curling back. And it's probably going to be easiest to like watch and learn the strategy from this section of my hair, so I won't fast forward through this. And I'll walk you through it again. So you're going to take a section straighten out the top. If you have curly hair or wavy hair, that's especially important. And then hold your barrel downward and wrap the hair back around it. Leave a little bit out. You can clip it in the clamp so you don't have to hold your finger there. When I do end up holding my finger there, that's when I end up burning myself. And then let it out. And just kind of hold it up to let it cool off in a curled shape still. I don't need to do that as much on my real hair. So this all here is all real hair. So this will actually curl super easy because it's fried. So I don't leave it as long and I don't really need to hold it up after. Okay. And now for the last two pieces on this side. Okay, now that we have it all curled, oh my gosh, it's so full, it's so much hair. It's a little too curly for me. I like more of just a really slight wave. So I'm gonna go in with a wide tooth comb and just kind of comb it out. And that completes this look for today. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. I cannot even believe the before and after result on this. I'm going to real quickly put it side by side so you can see the difference. Oh my gosh, so much hair. It's so full and healthy. I have so much volume and you can't even really see all of the length that I have too. Comment below and let me know if you loved how my hair came out. Also, comment below any tutorials that you would like me to do for you in the future, either hair or makeup. I seem to be getting a bigger response from my hair videos, like my pink hair tutorial with both the Lime Crime pink and the IGK pink. So if you want to see more hair tutorials on my channel, just let me know and maybe I'll do like a sleek pony with like these extensions or something next. So comment below, let me know what you would like to see. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye.